In this session, we are going to be making this lovely heart card. Now the card is shaped like a heart and you can open it. And also there's this additional heart on top that flaps like so. Let's get started. We're going to need our heart templates from the back of our book. We're going to need some decorations which we got from our handy dandy craft box. A pair of scissors, pencil, a paper clip, piece of red paper, and a piece of cardstock. That this one is 8.5 by 11 inches, 11 inches by 8.5 inches. I'm going to start by folding. Now we folded our card, and this here is the fold line. I'm going to place this template on the fold line. Now I've written here for you so you can see fold line, do not cut. This means that this part of it here we do not cut. That allows us to open the card. Okay, so I'm going to place that there, and now I'm going to place my paper clip right there so that I can trace my heart out. And you will have something like this. There will be no line for this section here. We're going to start by cutting out our heart, and I stop right there so that when I'm finished I am able to open my card. And that is our card base. Now we have to work on the red piece. I'm going to take the smaller heart template, secure it with the paper clip, and I'm going to trace this smaller heart onto the red paper. And there we go. We have our heart, our second heart, and as you can see, our second heart can fit very nicely on top of our card. We're going to just lightly bend our card so we have an idea where the middle is. We're not creasing, we just want to know where the middle is, because what we're going to do is we're going to apply glue onto the middle of this red heart, and now we're going to stick it onto our card. And by applying glue to the middle only, this is what allows our card to have this flap. And now all we need to do is to decorate our card. You can use gems, you can even use pom-poms. I'm going to use these spangle decorations that come in our handy dandy craft box. And again, in order to add these things, I just would put some glue onto my card. Because sometimes putting the glue onto these tiny decorations is difficult, and I just want to decorate. Now notice I'm not putting any decorations in the middle, because if it flaps up, decorations are going to get in the way. I think I just need one more decoration. There we go. And there you have your little heart card. When you open it, it's the shape of a heart. And of course, the two flaps come up like so. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more fun ideas for craft.